Alright legends, welcome back to another video, and today you join us in the Peak District and we're going for a wild camp on Win Hill. So I searched on YouTube for this, couldn't find many videos about wild camping on Win Hill, so that either means, I know it's a popular spot for walking, but it either means it's a rubbish spot for wild camping or it's a gem of a well kept secret, but we'll find out, won't we? So come with us, we're on the steep ascent up Win Hill now, but it's just a short walk and a chilled out wild camp tonight, bit of chat and food and just enjoy kipping outdoors under the stars, mate, so stay tuned. First things first, I always forget to do this in every video, but if you could, smash subscribe. We're coming up to 1200 and I set a target to get into 1500 this year, which we've only a couple of months left. I don't think we're going to do, but you can help. Smash subscribe, it's 100% free. Leave a comment and share the video. Cheers, legends. As you can see, it is steep, mate, and it is steep from the start. Bloody vertical, to be honest. Look at steps, mate. Vertical. So big backpacks on. We're just taking our time, stomping up this stone ladder, trying to not kiff it. Waterfall up the sides, gorgeous, but be warned, you need decent base level of fitness for this. If you're very new to hiking, I think there's an easier way up than this, because this is the steep direct route, steep direct route for sure. Do it. Big Josh grafting up the hill. Yeah, steep bugger this, but quickest way up from where we've parked. Let's go and donk Win Hill off. I haven't been up Win Hill yet. Don't know why, it's just one round here that I've walked years and years that I've never done. So it'd be nice to finally go and donk it off. That gate, hook a right then hook a left, get under this Widowmaker and then straight up the hill, hillage. It's a steep bugger though, very steep. We're out the woods and we're just carrying on up the steep path, stony path, mate. It's graft but building character, putting some I've not used the sticks today to put some strength in the legs with the heavy bag on. Getting ready for that West Highland Way next year, Dave. Come on. Bamford Edge behind you though. If you don't look back, you'll never realise how far you've come in life, my friend. Beautiful. Point. Gonna donkey it out, mate. Rubbish up here. Leave no trace. Make memories not mess, mate. You sort yourself out, son. Look at it. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Look down this edge.
That's stunning.
Oh, stunning. There we go, leg ends. 462, Win Hill, 22 of 95 on the FLs. Just donk this out and then I'll give you the 360s. Donk, 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 donk. Not finding any good spots on Win Hill here. We've come off Win Hill, dropped down, gone over to the other peak, so there's the Great Ridge there. And we're just going to have a mooch around this edge, see if we can pick anything up, and if we can't, we're going to have a walk towards the Woodland Wild Camp. Alright, legends. So, since we were at top of Win Hill, searched around for ages, no really good flat spots, so we mooched through a woodland and then we ended up here. Do you reckon? Thirsty, mate. Cutting a fine figure in the woodland, or on top of a hill in the woods, should I say?
What's that?
I said they're cutting a fine figure on top of a hill in the woods. Beautiful looking tent.
Oh, the Durster.
Yeah. Josh, back out.
Hello.
Am I out with you or are you out with me? Or are we just out together?
I'm out with you.
You're out with me?
Yeah.
Alright then. So Josh is out with me today.
I needed this.
Yeah. Josh wanted to get out, so we've come out.
Thank you for. I do want to say that at the start. Well, wherever you are in your video, thank you for letting me come out here.
Absolutely no problem at all. I love going out with you, mate.
Nice one.
It's always a good time to be had, innit? To laugh and that, and it's nice to not solo wild camp all the time.
Yeah, stick around as well because we are going to go for a nice night walk later.
Nighttime walk in the woodland. Try and find a water source in the dark, so stay tuned for that. Legends. But we're just whack the tent up here. I'll show you where mine is, show you where Josh is, and then we'll make a brew, wait for it to go dark, and then we'll be sneaking around Halloween styly in the woods. We're just saying this is just not acceptable, this kind of thing, is it, mate?
No.
Fire pits, there's no need for it.
We've just been saying, like, there's a woodland, like, if you look 360 degrees around us, yeah, there's a woodland, yet someone chose to have a fire here. 2 fires because there's one over there as well. Just make sure you dig in pits and cover it up when you're done.
If you want to go and do some bushcraft, go and do some bushcraft.
Yeah.
Innit?
Yeah.
Don't just play at it, go and do it. So
we just said, the first thing you said when we walked up to the top of there was someone's had a fire there.
Yeah.
It's the first thing you know.
Don't get me wrong, you kind of realise that you can put your tent up here though, but we'll chuck them stones about, spread those stones out,
Yeah.
and try and spread that ash and crap out as best we can before we leave it morning. And obviously it's not our fault it's there, but I suppose it's our responsibility as outdoorsmen.
Yeah. But it's like the rubbish thing. There's only so much you can do.
Yeah.
Because it's just everywhere now.
Yeah, because like we'll pick that up in the morning, spread those rocks around the best we can, but we can't oof boulders down that hill and build a stone wall.
No.
And we can kick that ash around the place, but it's still going to look a mess. But it'll, the rain and stuff will wash it away eventually. Yeah. But as it is like that now, it'll stay like that forever.
That's scorched the ground.
It'll not grow back. But we can only do what we can do, mate. But it's took a few lads move some of them rocks. They must have been doing it in pairs.
Yeah.
Because some of them ones at edge are beasts.
It's unnecessary. It's just, especially when you're surrounded by 360 degrees woodland.
It's just born out. It's just idiocy. Idiocy. Idiotic.
It's
idiotic. Or it's a lack of knowledge.
Yeah.
It's not knowing how to build a fire.
Yeah.
And do it properly. They're just rough, like winging it. Yeah. This will be someone who doesn't wild camp regular. I think, anyway.
Yeah.
Right. Enough of that negative chat. I'm going to make a brew, mate. Some parch, and then
I'm going to get a brew.
We'll think about having a mooch to this water.
Yeah. Let's do it. Enjoy your brew.
Oh, little mate, what are you having?
I'm having a caramel latte.
Ooh, caramel latte, sir. I'm having a double chocolate mocha. Hey, double chocolate mocha, y'all. bin bag. Let's have a nice brew. Tell you what, leggings. 6:01 now and it's going dicky dark already, mate. Oh, no more light nights, mate. But after a lot of faffing around, we managed to get a decent camp spot. Not perfectly flat by any stretch of the imagination, but we'll get some sleep in here. Like where I'm lay. I'm gonna be alright, so that'll be fine. We're gonna go for a little mooch for some water shortly in the dicky dark, so that should be a laugh. But yeah, just good to get out, clear the noggin, you know, have a good chat with Josh. It's been a while since I've seen him, see what he's up to. Hopefully helps him clear his noggin as well, you know what I mean. Big advocates for mental health and that, me and him. So if you need to chat to a mate, get hold of your mate, you know what I mean, or get in the comments or DM me or whatever. But look after yourselves, legends. Look after your mental health and look after your brothers and sisters. Cheers to all our loved ones. Love you guys. Can you see me? Don't know if you can see me, leggings. But yeah, it's just going a bit dark now. We're going to head down and look for a water source for Josh. We're going to head down while it's still a bit light. And we were going to go in the pitch black, but looks like it's going to rain, so we're going to head down now. Let's go and find a water source, mate. It's dark. Christ, can you see me? Woohoo! It's absolutely Blur Witch, innit? I'll show you what it's like when we look out.
Like 0 point.
So here we are, we're on a 1 mile mission to find Josh's water. It's an absolute bog fest though. Oh my god. Content in that, innit?
Yeah, so when we get back to that bend there and it bends right, we know we're in the right place.
You can see our hill from here. It's up there. Yeah. Big hill up there, lads. And the lasses.
God.
You see? It's got to be a sheep, surely. Is it?
You can just see its eyes.
Oh god, jumped out my skin.
You can literally.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's just a little.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're just walking. I can see its eyes glowing in front of us.
Oh, the blur sheep. Oh my god. No.
Have I been bit?
Not by that sheep.
Walking in the woodlands that night definitely is for me.
Woo!
That little sheep there. The GoPro's kind of like really bad in low light.
Yeah, mine's not good, mate, but this is low light there.
Oh yeah. Like really dark.
This is pitch black.
I'm just trapped.
Oh. This might not be the best idea we've ever had. But searching for a water source in the middle of the night. Walk past some bangers. Here's the path, mate. Right, so here's the path, look right.
So we take a right here, don't we?
It says so.
Yeah. Right. At least we're on the path now anyway. I think those areas before we start.
Well, it should be running well because it's done nothing but rain for weeks. Here's someone over there.
No, that's wind. Yeah, that's wind.
Sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Go on then.
That's wind blowing in the trees. But we are just lifting it out of the water. If it was going to be anywhere, it'd be in like...
Saying a straight line from here.
Straight line?
Yeah, like on the course we're going down.
Oh, there's a path there. Oh, is this path we came down?
Yeah, I think, yeah, follow that path for a bit.
We could be walking miles here.
I know, well, oh, I've just absolutely soaked myself.
We're going to have to get to a certain point and... Oh my god! We're going to have to get to a certain point and just be like... Right.
Is it worth it? Well, let's follow this down a bit and then see what happens.
I can hear water.
Yeah, no, but it's going to be, I think it says it's just below us. And this path's going round to the right, so...
I'm sure I can hear water. Wow, that's like ankle breaking stuff, man.
Just to the right, it's saying we're saying we're on it.
We're on it?
Like it's just to the right, round this corner. The water. Oh Christ. Because those little thin blue lines, they might not be the best water source, you know what I mean?
Got it. Yeah, we've got it here.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. Said it was just down here to the right, didn't I?
Yeah,
Right, let's have a look.
a trickle, but we've got it.
We've got it. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Right, nice.
Yeah, you can hear it running, can't you? Yeah, I can see it glistening there. Right, Josh is into it. If you get enough for tonight, we can always walk back down this way in the morning. Oh, can't see shit, bruh. I need to invest in a better head torch. Mine sucks. But the hills have eyes, legends. You'll not pick them up, but all the little sheep, well, I hope the sheep staring back at us is fair. Christ. Oh.
There they went then.
Slippery when wet. So we're just on this bit of a path and we should pick up a trail, hook to the left, and then we just carry on that trail so the trail runs out, and then there's a steep slope going up to our Wooler's, is it Wooler's Hill or something?
Wooler's, Well, there's null in it.
Yeah, which is our camp spot for the evening, and hopefully everything is as we left it. Yeah, really dense forestry, mushrooms everywhere, mate. Whew. Let's get back to the tent, mate, and get a chicken curry on. Glad we come when we did.
I know.
Give us an idea, didn't it, coming out in sort of like a bit of light.
Yeah. Tell you what, I'm ready for a meal now though.
Oh yeah. Chicken curry's getting scranding. Right. Well, Paf's gonna take a left here and we're gonna go straight on. Look at that. Oh, we've got to get over that bank. Do you remember?
What's that?
We were the other side of that bank.
That swamp, I won't go that way.
Yeah. It's going to be like that up there. Let's go this way first then. I mean, we could follow this round and then up the hill and then across the way we actually first went to camp. Do you know what I mean?
Just there though, we can literally, well we can't now, but we could literally see the hill.
We can get up here then.
Yeah. This is where we came from. Do you not remember?
Yeah, but I was just thinking it might be an easier path the other way. But through the woods we go. Okay, now. Wow. I can see the hill there though. Oh, she's there. Look. Oh, she's there. Can you see her? Hey. We're back. There's Josh's camp. Thank Christ for that. Where's Josh? You alright, bud? Oh, he's here. He's coming.
Wow.
Come on. You're nearly there, mate. Just one steep hill left.
Huh?
Just one bit of steep hill. Come this way towards my voice, that way it's easier than the way I just went.
God. That last hill then was a killer, wasn't it?
Yeah, man. Dicky dark out here, isn't it?
Yeah, very dark.
Right.
Wow.
Let's go and get some tea on.
Yeah.
Reckon?
I'm looking forward to my meal now.
Oh yeah. Go on, lad. Your tent's there. You're a board awaits, brother.
Nice one for coming.
No bother, mate. Anytime. Never leave a man behind in that.
I know. Do you know what? I don't think I would have got back.
That always on GPS works a treat, doesn't it? Right,
Enjoy
man.
your food.
You too, brother. Our ambulance is going overhead, so we're just trying to stay inside and keep the lights low, so we don't want to attract attention and them be looking for us, if you know what I mean, when they're not. That's just flew right over us that. Crazy dark out here. Can hear Josh doing a bit of YouTubing in the background. I'm gonna get tea on. I'm starving, mate. Tonight we are on chicken curry, mate. So I'll get this rustled up and I'll bring you back for a little chicken curry review. Right, it's time to try this adventure foods. See what it's all about. Get a light down here. Might be better. Adventure Foods chicken curry. Dropped it everywhere. It's edible. It's not the best one I've ever had, that's for sure, but it'll do the business. 600 calories, and I've got a brownie and chocolate sauce to come. Oost! I'll scran this Legends and bring you back.
Morning, Legends. 7 AM. And it's pitch black, but I'm going to make a brew and have something to eat. Sun doesn't come up for half an hour. It's not going to stop raining for another hour, but I'm going to start getting ready in the tent. Bloody rain, mate. It's rained all night long, mate. White noise vibes there.
This morning I've got chocolate, double chocolate mocha and chocolate brownie. Full rations packed chocolate brownie. I'm not saying what that looks like. Legends. Yeah, it tastes like that too. Not the best, but scran this and start packing down slowly but surely. I suppose it's kind of nice to sit and listen to the rain on your tent. Even my inner's dry, but there's condensation on the inner, the fly sheet. It's absolutely soaked, the fly sheet, but the inner doesn't touch it, so it's sound. But it's going to need drying out this afternoon. Yeah, I suppose sitting here listening to the rain is very peaceful and chilling, but not all night. It keeps waking you up. Well, it wakes me up at least. But the sky is turning slightly lighter now.
we have this coffee and start making moves. Cheers, legends, to all our loved ones. Look weird, don't I? Send you guys out on a mission in the rain. Do you see anything? Hate it. So that's the sleep system all packed away inside the tent. The only problem with doing that is I might have touched the outer with the inner because it's like tight in it. Roll it mat up and stuff, but needs must when it's raining, mate. So do as much as you can inside in it. So I'm going to make a cup of coffee, pack that up, get that in the bag, get the electricals in the bag and all my bits and bobs, and then the last thing to go in the bag's the tent. So that's the way I like it. That is it. That is all my rubbish from this wild camp. Going back with me. Do better, legends. Leave no trace. Now, I'm not talking to everyone who watches this, because I know the majority of people who watch my videos are legends. They love the outdoors, they love wild camping, and they do it properly. But if you're new to it, or you're thinking about doing hiking and wild camping, you've just got to take your crap home with you. Don't leave it out, because there's no need for it, and you're just ruining it for everyone. So think on, legends. Make memories, not mess. Leave no trace. Not done one of these for a while. Woo! Gone. Let's go. Right, as always, leg ends. We leave nothing but flat grass. Do we, mate?
Nope, that's how we leave. And
we're going to leave less than that because we're going to spread all these big stones about.
Yeah.
So we discourage people from having another fire. Because if it's not set up for them when they get here, they're less likely to do it, aren't they?
And the thing is as well, even if we just grab them and literally chuck them down the hill,
they'll just not.
It's better than just
lay
there.
So we're going to get on with that. Right, so get rid of all the big stones and all the big bits. But that's all we can do, really. We can't spend. We've just not got the gear, time, or anything to dig all that out. So don't set fires and leave them. Don't set fires. You don't need to. Just use a stove and that's it. Gas stove or an alcohol stove. You don't need a fire, man. I've never had one, me.
Have you not?
I understand in the woodland in the winter it's cool and that, but for me I just don't think I need it.
Yeah, I mean 95% of the time you don't. But it's just the ambience in it of a woodland.
In a woodland, if you do it properly and it's part of a bushcraft thing and you've got permission, or you know, you're dead sensible and you all that, yeah, it's cool, innit? But that is just being a prick, innit, at the end of the day.
A lot of the time they are unnecessary, like you don't really need a fire.
No.
You know what I mean? The sleep system should keep you warm.
If you've got the right gear, you shouldn't be cold.
Exactly.
So, if you are going to have a fire, do it properly, do it sensibly, and clean up after yourselves. But for me, you don't really need one, unless you are a proper bushcrafter and you're experienced, or you're with someone who is, and you do it properly, sound, and leave no trace, make memories not mess. Peace. Right, we move down to the woodland. That was quite an interesting little spot, that. Obviously, not ideal with someone having a fire there, but it is what it is, and we've done what little we can to rectify that. But this morning, it's a bit drizzly and miserable, and there's very little visibility. So we're going to go and pick the path up and walk through the woods. What do you think about that, leg ends? Bit of tree cover and bit of sort of woodland ambiance for the walk back to the car after this wild camp. Ooh. It's a nice little woodland yomp this morning. Tell you what, the sheep were scary last night, weren't they, mate?
Yeah.
It was proper, the hills have eyes.
Yeah.
It's just
going in the dark.
Yeah, it's like, because they're at that height, you're like, oh, it's fine, it's sheep. But could you imagine seeing that, but like 6 foot tall?
I know.
You'd melt, wouldn't you?
Literally tack it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you'd dack your pants, I reckon. But yeah, the hills have eyes, mate. Look at these big sheeps. Big sheeps blocking the path here. Thou shalt not pass. Come on.
It's going to be right here.
I know, well, I've got it in car, mate. Come on. Avante. You are a big love, aren't you? You're a big dinner. You're going to be someone's dinner cock. You could be my dinner. Belter of a water source here. Look at that. Get it over there. Beautiful bit of water. Quality H2O. It's sweet, clean. Quality H2O. Oh my God, river crossing. Woohoo! Josh is getting trench foot there.
My feet are soaked anyway.
Come on, in the absolute brothel creepers then. Oh, look at that, that's how you do it, expertly done. This is us. This path should take us out the woodland and down to the reservoir. Let's have a look at views, mate. Oh, look at it. Oh, atmospheric or what? I need to camp up there, mate. Fancy that one week?
Yeah. I've never noticed that before, you know.
Couple of spots up there, looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll get up there. This before, where it's really jagged, this next one here, it looks like there's a good shelf there, doesn't there? Better than last night.
What's that? What is that?
I'll tell you now, my mate. I will tell you now. It is Crook Hill. We could just park, you know, on the opposite side, next to the roadside, and just whiz up there for a wild camp. Might do another Friday one there. Do you know, if we finish work at dinner time?
Yeah, Friday's so much better anyway, right?
There's less people here. We'll whiz up. It'll be like less than an hour, probably an hour from the car.
Yeah.
Straight up there. Just do an actual walk and wild camp, like last night, really. Not, you know, not a killer walk or anything. More about the wild camp. So this is us down more on the water's edge path, and this one path now will take us all the way around to the car. So that's good. That's nice. That. Lovely view of the bridge.
Yeah, look at the reflection and everything.
I know, it's sick, innit? Beautiful. Derwent's Edge up there looks cool. Operational assist. Danger of death. No climbing on reservoir infrastructure. No drones. Someone's obviously flew the drone in there, haven't they? Christ. Someone must have tried to climb over there and kiffed it. Big plug, mate. Nice place. Hello. Are you okay? Hey? No. Not sure of me. You alright?
You mean to run it as a pub? Yeah, I think that's on, yeah.
Hey, leggings. We're almost full circle to where we started yesterday. Is that mega steep path up Winhill. Oh, it was a beast of a thing, wasn't it? They are steep steps, mate, I tell you that for naught. Steepies. But we're almost back at the car legends. Plus flowing water. Morning. Hey babe, whose horse is that? So another one in the bag, walk and wild camp. Winhill, boxed off for the old Ethels, job done on that. Nice little wild camp, always good to get out wild camping. You know, not a killer walk or anything, but better than staying at home on the sofa, innit? Get some miles in the legs and a little bit of fitness going. So I'll leave a link in the description to my Strava and you'll be able to see, you know, the walk in and the walk out. I'd like to thank Josh for joining me on this one. Nice to have a bit of company. Always good company, Josh, and obviously check out his YouTube channel and that. He's a cracking lad and he has a good YouTube channel, so check that out. And as always, in our national parks, leave no trace, make memories, not mess. Like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one, legends.